Hi guys! Did I scare you? Sorry. So I don't know if you guys remember this, but a few months ago when I was in California and I went to the Café for the all-you-can-eat lobster buffet. And beside lobster, they also had Pacific oyster from Korea. And I had a few of those and they were so delicious. And the whole entire time I was thinking to myself, man, I wish I could have some of these at home on a grill. I wonder how they'll taste like. So unfortunately, they're not available here in Texas. We have some Gulf oysters and they're pretty good too as well, but comparing to those Pacific oysters, I think those Pacific oysters were more flavorful and I liked them a lot. So earlier today when I was at H Mart, I was browsing through the seafood department and in the frozen sections, guess what I found? Frozen Pacific oyster from Korea. And they are only $5 per bags. And I know most of you guys be like, hey David, I don't know about that. But you know what? Let me be your guinea pig. If it's good, I'll let you know it's good. If it's not good, there's always Pepto-Bismol. So I pick up a few bags and also I pick up some green onions so that we can make our green onions and oil sauce to go on top of the oysters. So according to the package, it says to defrost, place oyster in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours before cooking. Ain't nobody got time for that. Wash oyster in 3% salt water. Okay, that we can do. And then chop radish and place it in the fridge for an hour. Add lemon and lime, but we're not gonna do all that. We're gonna cook them. So I was thinking about, you know, going outside and put them on a grill, but you know, you gotta set up the charcoal. It's too much work. So you know what? We're gonna put it in the oven at 350 for like 20 minutes and that should do. All right, so let's wash these. They smell delicious. We are gonna place these on this pan. Alright, so we're gonna put on bake 350 and then start. And we're gonna let it heat up to 350 and then we're gonna throw an oyster in there.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we're gonna do cook time 25. Start. We are gonna place it in the oven. And to make our sauce to go on top of the oyster, all you need is olive oil, fish sauce, and green onions. Green onion, you can see it now. There you go. So all you do now is just, you know, add some olive oil on top and just a little bit of fish sauce. Yeah, with the olive oil, just make a ring on it. And with the fish sauce, we're just gonna add just a little bit. And then we're just gonna mix it up. And then we're just gonna throw it in the microwave for like 1 minute. And it's come out looking something like this. And for the dipping sauce, I just usually do sriracha only, but lately, man, it's been kind of off. So, I mean, we can never go wrong with pepper and salt. Salt and pepper. We're just gonna need a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and then we're gonna cut a lime in half. We are going to squeeze the lime in there. Oh yeah, baby. Mix it up. Give it a taste. Very good. All right, so I took it out at 20 minutes mark. So, you know, I don't want to burn them now. Then become oyster jerky. I think 20 minutes is good. I found this at Walmart the other day, only 44 cents, and it tastes so good. It tastes just like the sour soap. And if you like sour soap, you will like this. Product of Mexico. You guys shake it up a little bit. Remind me of Vietnam. Alright, so I'm just gonna throw the scallion sauce on top. I'm sorry if you guys are drooling because of this. It's not my intention to do this to you guys. I really don't want to do it, but you know, I've been craving this, and H Mart has it, so I'm sorry. And then we're gonna add the sriracha on top. My mouth is watering right now, so I don't know about you guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of salt and pepper, put it on top. All right, here we go, first bite. Oh, it is so much more flavorful than a Gulf oyster. Sweet, and taste the sea, the juice. I know you guys don't want me to drink it, but you know what? I'm gonna drink it. Wow, it's actually very sweet. Look at this. The body is soft, and you have this little muscle area right here. This one. I really don't want to do this, you know, I don't want to do this to you guys. I know you guys are hungry, you guys want some of this, and I'm over here eating in front of your face. You know, how can we say we'll be friends and stuff if I'm doing this to you guys? But it's good. So I'm just gonna do a time lapse of this. So hopefully that'll make you guys feel better. And here's the last one. Wow. If you guys can't tell by now, they are very delicious. And right now, oyster season is over in Texas. This will definitely do the trick. All you need is 20 minutes in the oven at 350, and that's it. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much if you stayed to the end. Be sure to hit the subscribe button on your way out, and I'll see you soon.